Hi everyone, welcome back. As you can see, I have an Hermes unboxing to share with you today. This is a really exciting one because this is the first bag that I have been offered by my SA since I started shopping with her just a little while ago, not that long ago. I can't remember exactly when I started shopping with her, but it has not been that long. So yeah, this is the first bag that she has offered me. When I started working with her, she asked me to give her a list of bags I'd be interested in, and this was one of them. So I also have a few other goodies to share as well. So let's get right into it. So it came in this big bag. Everything's in one bag. So let's open it up. So as you can see, there's a bunch of items in here. So I'm gonna just take everything out, I think. And so there's this box, and then the big one. Okay, so let's do, so here is my receipt for everything. Wait, how does it go? Like this. Okay, so that's the receipt. I'm trying to think of what to open first. Let's do this little one first. So this was an item from my wish list, and I know it's a pretty hard item to get, so I was really excited when she told me she had one for me. So let's open this. To reveal, so here is the new rodeo charm that is the Pegasus, I think they call it, and it is the colors are, I believe, sesame, blue broom, and I can't remember this color, but I think the information is on the box. And yeah, I just think it's so cute. It's really, really soft. The leather is really soft. And I know that these new Pegasus ones are really, really difficult to get. They're really popular, so I was really, really happy to get one as my first rodeo charm. And so that is the first item. I'll show you the information. It's on the lid of the box here. So here it is. Yeah, so it is, Vert Phosphor, I think is the color of the wings. So yeah, blue broom, sesame, and Vert Phosphor. Yeah. So that's the information. Really, really cute. Really happy with that. And then let's do this one next. So this was an item that had been on my wish list for a while. So this is the Kelly belt, and it is in the gold leather with rose gold hardware. And the thing I love about this is it's one size fits all, so it's adjustable. So you can just make it smaller like this, or you can just make it larger like this. So you can wear it lower down on if you're wearing, jeans or something, or if you're wearing a dress and you want it up higher at the waist, it'll fit either way. So I love that versatility with this piece. Yeah, so that is that. I'm gonna see, I don't know if the box has the information for this one or not. No, it doesn't. I think these are pretty readily available though online. Okay, so let me put that to the side. And then I'm gonna do this one next. So you may be able to guess what it is based on the box, but let's open it. So this style was definitely on my wish list. So here is the dust bag to reveal. So here is my new Picotin 18 in Clemence leather, and the color is Blue Frida, and it's the one that has a different color on the inside of the handles, and this color is Rose Mexico. So it will go perfectly. If you saw my previous unboxing with my Constant Slim wallet, it is the same color as that. So my Constant Slim wallet will go perfectly with this because it's the same color. And this blue color is just so beautiful. So let's take out the paper. And so this is the interior. I'm sure you're all familiar with the Picotin, and it comes with the keys. It's palladium hardware, and the lock. So that's the lock. So the lock goes on the end of this strap, and the weight of it will kind of keep the bag closed. So I'm not going to put it on right now, but you get the idea. Yeah, the color is slightly different than it's coming up on camera. It's a really, really beautiful blue. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful, and the leather is so pretty. And it says Hermes Paris, made in France on the bottom. And yeah, it's just one open compartment. I'm definitely going to be getting an organizer for this bag for sure. It has feet on the bottom. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, so, oh, and just to show you, it came with this booklet. Okay, so the last two little items. So this is, wow, there's even a ribbon on the lip product. So this is the new Rosy Lip Enhancer, and I got it in the color, where's the color? Rose apricot, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but Rose Apricot. And it's kind of like a lip balm with a tint. So the packaging is really nice. I've never bought a cosmetics item from Hermes before. Oh my gosh, it even comes with a little dust bag. So cute. Okay, so this is the packaging, and this is what it looks like. So it's just like a tinted balm. Okay, so that is that little item, and the last one, as you can see, is a Twilly. And I'm not sure what this Twilly is called, but when I saw it, I thought it would look pretty on the Picotin. So that is what it looks like. I think there is a tag on it with the information. So here's the information. And yeah, I just thought this would look really pretty on the bag. So that is my little haul. It is my birthday month, my 40th birthday month, so I treated myself, and yeah, I was really excited to get offered a bag. I did not expect that yet. I've only been working with my essay for, I'm not sure, less than a couple of months, I guess. And yeah, I was really surprised when she offered me this, and very happy that it was a color I loved, because I obviously wouldn't have taken it if I didn't like this color combination, but It's really beautiful. The blue has a little bit more green in it than you're seeing on camera. It's just a really, really pretty blue. And the Rose Mexico, again, is not coming across exactly as it appears in real life, but close enough. Yeah, so that is my little haul. Actually, I think this wouldn't look that bad on here. I'll probably wear this on another bag, but just to give you an idea of how it looks. Tie it on. Yeah, I was so excited to get one of these charms. They're so cute. All right, so I am going to end the video here. If you like this type of video, please consider subscribing and also following me on Instagram. My handle there is FashionJunkie33. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.